Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can get your My AI on Snapchat. Now this was released by Snapchat as their artificial intelligence tool, and you can ask anything to it. And let's assume that you do not have this on your Snapchat. So what you need to do is most probably is simply head over to Play Store, and in Play Store you need to search for Snapchat. Head over to Snapchat and click on update. After updating, you'll be able to see that your My AI will be visible, but still, let's say if you do not have that, you can simply head over to your account settings, and from there you need to head over to your support team and you can ask them that why you are having that issue, and they can most probably help you. So that's a pretty simple process on how to do so. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.